going on, y'all? BrynWelds here. Today I'm going to be welding this aluminum cube kit, 3 inches by 3 inches, 1/8 inch thick aluminum from Welding Online. Let's get into it. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know I'm going to be running the Everlast MTS 225 today. Make, take, stick, AC/DC, all that good stuff. I do have a link with them. If you order through my link, you get the Nova upgraded torch and foot pedal worth $150 value, free additional charge. Link in the description. Check it out. That's the setup I'm running today. Let's go ahead and get this opened up. Now it should just be six square 3x3 1/8 inch thick pieces. Should be pretty simple. I saw it online, thought it'd be fun. Pretty self-explanatory. Let's get it tacked up. Now that we've got the cube all tacked up, let's go ahead and weld her out. Clean her up, then weld her out. I'm just going to use a stainless steel brush that I use on my aluminum. Brush every joint. Not going to get too in depth with it. Alright, I'm running 130 amps. Let's go ahead and get into it with the first joint. Little update, make sure you drill a little breather hole or something in there. I'll show you what happened right now.
Holy shit, Batman, I ruined one. Oh boy. Oh no, that went totally wrong. Oh shit.
That's all I got for today, y'all. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you want an Everlast machine, go ahead and use the link in the bio. And yeah, appreciate y'all tuning in. And come back next week for another video. Probably be another kit from Welding Online. And I'll put that link in the description to the aluminum cube kit. And next week will be maybe a stainless one, maybe aluminum triangle, diamond, I don't know. Check them out though. Check your boy out on all your socials. And check out my merch, link in bio as well. Peace.